Hi everyone, welcome to Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss about how we can link Revit file from ACC platform by live linking. There are three ways of linking a Revit file. First one is live linking that we'll discuss in this particular session. The second one is linking a Revit file from shared folder, and the third one is linking a Revit file from consumed folder. So in this particular session, we'll discuss how we can link Revit file via live linking. Okay. So for that one, I have to click on manage links, and right here in this dialog box, right now Revit user interface a little bit changed in Revit 2026 and 2025 itself. Click on add right here, Revit file, because we are linking a Revit file, and now it'll give you File Explorer pop-up. So let's wait for that one. Yeah, it's right here. Now I have to select Autodesk Docs, right? Because our file is on ACC. So I'll go for it as docs. Now I'll go for my project, that is project 01, project files. Now in this one, we are going for live linking, right? So we'll go for WAP folder, and this is my MAP file, and I want to link architectural file. So I'll go for WAP architectural model, and this is the architectural model on which architectural team is working live. Okay. So I'll select that one. It'll take a couple of seconds. Now, based on whatsoever setting you are done for your project, whether it is center to center, internal origin to origin, bar shared coordinate, or project base point, you can select that one. Right now, I'm going for internal origin to origin. Open. Now, it'll take a couple of seconds based on your file size. Once it is done, our file name will be shown right here. So right now it's loading. Let's wait, and then we'll close this one. Right now it's processing. If you'll see right here at the bottom as well, started for 52%. For linking based on shared folder or consumed folder, we'll discuss in next videos probably. So be right here with us, and please subscribe if you did not subscribe this channel. I normally do not ask for that one, but it gives me motivation to create such kind of videos for you guys. Yeah, so our model is loaded right here. Let's close this pop-up, and now we can see the architectural model right here. So it is live linked. Live link means whatsoever architectural team will do in their model and sync. Once I reload my model right here and manage links, I can see their changes. So thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.